This pen started as a playing card, but before it became this, it went through several steps. Let me show you how that happens. Every part of this new Heavenly Messenger pen kit was designed around one belief. Cardinals appear when angels are near. When a kit is built around a belief, the blank should carry that same belief. Label casting is going to be perfect for this pen, since it lets you put anything inside a blank: a photo, a piece of fabric, something with a story. For this kit, a Cardinal playing card made sense the moment I saw it. The bird is already there. When I turn this down, the Cardinal comes through the resin and sits just under the surface, like it's suspended inside the pen. The person receiving this is going to see a Cardinal on the clip, a Cardinal on the cap, and a Cardinal on the barrel itself. The pen becomes one complete idea from top to bottom. That is what a meaningful blank does. Many people believe, as I do, a Cardinal carries a special message, that when a Cardinal lands nearby, someone they love is still close. How much resin is actually needed? Roughly 3/4 of an ounce per resin per chamber. 6 drops of hardener is needed per every ounce you use. Stir slowly until you see it get clear. If you have striations in there, keep stirring until they're all gone. Pour the resin in slowly. Fill each chamber with resin to the line that's on the blocks. Use a stick or a paper clip and tease off any bubbles that may be adhered to your image. Cover your mold and let it sit overnight to harden. This is what they look like before we turn them. There it is. The blank we use today made sense because the Cardinal was already on it. But this kit works with anything that carries special meaning for you. White acrylic. The kit has angel wings on the top and the tip. White pairs with that directly. Angelic. For some people, that's exactly the right choice. Bethlehem olive wood from the Holy Land. This blank and kit together say something nothing else in your shop can say. And ruby red, the color of the Cardinal itself. Someone who loves Cardinals sees this and does not need any explanation. The Heavenly Messenger kit includes all the hardware. Everything we used in this video is linked in the description below. If you can turn a slimline or a bolt action, you can turn this. The Heavenly Messenger kit is now available at Penn State Industries. I'm Barry Gross. Make something special today.